Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to contact Udemy Support. So here we are, support.udemy.com. Now here, you can choose whether you're a learner or an instructor and choose one of these, frequently asked questions or a topic to search for help. Let's say this one, payment methods on Udemy. Just select anything that is applicable and then you just come here at the bottom right. You have this option to contact us. So go ahead and click on this. And now they open up a chat. So we can start chatting. You can go and read through this if you would like. Just click on start chatting and here we go. Now you are able to contact them and their virtual assistant. And if you want to contact a real person, just go through with this process. And when you reach a certain point, you are able to contact a real person. As you can see right here, the virtual assistant has taken into account that I have submitted a ticket about this. And now what will happen is a team will get back to us. So we just have to wait for now, right? But it's really that easy and simple. And you should receive an email regarding your prompt on the support chat. Okay? That's really that easy and simple.